Installation of a wire rope safety climb on an antenna support structure relies on the early work of many stakeholders, prior to materials even being ordered or a contractor stepping foot on site. This video will step through the roles and responsibilities of the stakeholders, discuss the intended use of the structure, and describe best practices for how a safety climb can be properly integrated with the structure. Part 2 of this series focuses on various aspects of installing a wire rope safety climb. To learn more about the content described here today, visit www.tiffonline.org, where you can download the Climbing Facilities White Paper. Various groups of stakeholders must come together to ensure the successful deployment of a wire rope safety climb. These stakeholders include structure owners, end users, engineering firms, general contractors, as well as the manufacturers of the products. The end users have RF system designs that require the installation of equipment on antenna supporting structures owned by various structure owners, or the end user themselves. Due to the primary need of installing equipment that meets RF system design requirements, installation of appurtenances may obstruct the primary climbing facilities. To achieve effective installation, end users seek to have the assistance and communication from other stakeholders involved in the process for deploying and maintaining the network infrastructure. To assist the end user, the antenna supporting structure owner may have data which can assist the architectural engineer or qualified person to identify where existing climbing facilities are located on the structure, as well as to be able to identify scenarios which may pose issues with installation of the new equipment on the structure. The A&E company must consider the climbing facilities and do their best to plan for climbing facilities integration into the final site conditions. For new appurtenance installs, the A&E company shall consider. The manufacturers are tasked with developing appurtenance designs that meet the required design standards, while considering the presence of climbing facilities and safety climbs. It should be noted that over the last 10 years, there have been many manufacturers that have altered their designs to support the wire rope safety climbs. Once the preliminary work is done, it is up to the contractor to provide qualified personnel to perform the installation. They must assess the structure and the appurtenances to determine if the installation will meet the A&E designs as depicted on the drawings. While carrying out these responsibilities, the contractor must communicate any issues that cause damage, climbing facilities, safety climb, or any other system that could be affected by the installation, to the appropriate party as designated by the end user or the structure owner. When all stakeholders work in silos without communication, everyone's work can potentially be more difficult, as well as not providing an opportunity to correct issues for the future. Once communication channels are established, the collective work of everyone is clear, effective, and consistent. This is truly the most important thing to be done to impact quality on the site. Have communications with and for the contractor to help everyone achieve success.